Today I will share with you 2 secrets that no one else is talking about on how to help you have the best year ever. I will share the first one here and be sure to watch until the end of the video where I share with you the second one. The first secret is that round challah are not only for Rosh Hashanah. We continue doing round challah from Rosh Hashanah through Sukkot all the way to Shemini Atzeret as we are judged on Rosh Hashanah, inscribed in the Book of Life on Yom Kippur, and sealed for a good year on Shemini Atzeret. During all that period, we make round challah that have no end, symbolizing and actualizing our wish for a year in which life and blessings continue without end. I wanted to do something special to help all of us through the mitzvah of doing challah, so I have recreated my own version of a 6-braid round challah, Star of David, since for centuries the Star of David, or Magen David in Hebrew, is a symbol associated with protection from above, as the 6 points of the Star of David symbolizes all 6 directions, north, south, east, west, up and down, and it is a constant reminder that the one above is our ultimate protector. I will encourage you for the most beautiful results to use my challah recipe. The link will be left in the card above and the description box below. So let's jump into it. Place 2 strands in the middle, making sure that they are as equal as possible in length and thickness. Add 2 strands to the left, crossing the first pair. Add the last pair of challah across the last one, forming a V. Take your first horizontal strand and make it go over the first strand it crosses. Then under the next one, then over, then under the last one. Take the first strand of the left pair and it will go over, under, over, under. Take the first strand on the right pair and make it pass over the first one, but then under the horizontal strand. But we need for the first strand to go over the first one, so we will make it pass over it. This way we will have over, under, under. Perfect. Don't be shy to pull on your strands to make them as straight as possible. Take the first horizontal strand to the right and make it pass over, then under, then over and under. Take the second strand of the pair in the left and go under, over, over. Perfect. Then the second to the right, under, over. So we're going to cross it over. Then we're going to verify under, over. Take the second horizontal strand on the right and pass it under the first strand it crosses. Adjust your strands in that area to make them straight. Now verify your strand one last time. Under, over. Perfect. Now pull all of your strands to make them as straight as possible. This will make your Star of David as beautiful as possible. Do not be shy to tighten the strands as well to avoid big lumps of dough. Pull them straight one last time before we start the braiding. Take the strand that is under and pass it over its neighbor. Under, over. Repeat the process. Under, over. Now change the direction and continue the same process. Under, over. Can you guess it? Under, over. Again, under, over. Take your time, tighten the different strands. Under, over. And now we reverse once more the direction. Under, over. Straighten them a little bit. Under, over. Once more, under, over. One last one, under, over. Repeat the process again, change the direction, under, over. Take your time, pinch them a little bit. Make sure that they don't unravel. Under, over, over, once more under, over, and last one, under, over. Now you're going to take the edges and you're going to twist them together, then roll them together. It is important to do that because otherwise your braiding will become undone. I'm really showing you how to braid this challah in real time. This way, when you're going to have your dough, you will really be able to do it at the same time. So continue the process. Again, twisting, rolling. That next one, almost. Twisting, rolling. And if you have extra dough like this one, don't be shy to fold it and roll it, or even to retrieve or cut one piece, no problem. Stretch them out a little bit. Isn't it pretty? And now what you're going to do is that you're going to gather the ends together. It's very important to gather them. There's no particular order. Then smush them together, very important. Roll them together if you can. Gently flip it and you have this amazing Magen David design at the center of your round challah. Don't be shy to just shape the strands the way you want to maximize the effect. Cover it and let it rise for 40 minutes. Once fully risen, you are going to put your egg wash. Here I'm going to put some pure egg yolk, and if you want, of course, the recipes for all my egg wash, I'm going to link the video on the top and in the description box below. You can see how rich it is, and this will give you the darkest color. Take your pastry brush. Here I'm using a Zilis. It's by far my favorite. And you are going to apply the egg wash in every nook and cranny. It is very important in that design that you coat fully your challah. A fun thing that you can do is only apply egg yolk to the Magen David itself and then apply another egg wash to the rest of your challah. This way you will maximize the Magen David effect. Bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 190 degrees Fahrenheit. Enjoy your delicious and beautiful Star of David or Magen David round challah. As promised, here is the second secret that nobody talks about to put all the chances in your corner to be judged, inscribed, and sealed for an amazing new year. Our sages tell us that if we take upon ourselves a mitzvah or a good deed that you will do all year long, maybe like bring challah to an elderly person, call someone to wish them Shabbat Shalom, learn a subject that interests you in Judaism, taking a new mitzvah during this period surely will bring us a great year. My wish to you and to all of us is that all the mitzvot that we have been performing all year long, and especially during this auspicious time of the year, help us to be blessed, to be inscribed and sealed for an amazing year filled with love, success, joy, and above all, a good health. If you are here until the end, please write in the comments, amazing new year, so I know I'm not alone, and for you to have concretized your first step to having a spectacular year, writing down one of your year's goals. I will encourage you to watch the Yom Kippur and Sukkot video to know more about these Jewish holidays and increase even more your merits for a spectacular year. Thank you for being here. It means the world to me. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel as it helps us grow and reach more and more people who, just like you, want to live a more simple yet meaningful Jewish life. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to frum it up.